What's up guys, welcome to Hyve Trading. Just a quick look on XAU USD. I'm looking for a quick sell opportunity. As you can see, we got gold pushing up strongly. It's hit one of my levels from yesterday and it's rejected perfectly. However, I'm just waiting for price to move down a little bit further before I get involved in this trade. As you can see here on my order flow footprint chart, you can see we had this solid push up on high volume, and majority of that volume was at the top. So majority of those buyers have been trapped, because you can see we immediately pushed down and then we retested one more time, and you can see it was little to no buying volume to follow through with that buying, and then we've continued to push down, and now you can see consistent selling. I'm just waiting for one more push below this bullish candle before I get involved in a sell, and if I do, I'll be back to check in with you guys and let you know how the trade goes. Peace. Okay guys, what's up? So as you can see, we finally pushed below that bullish candle, and just in case you were wondering why I was waiting for price to push below this candle, as you can see, when we came down to the low of that candle, you can see immediately we had some bullish buyers coming into the market, and this price level here acted as support. So that's why I was waiting for price to confirm that sellers were in control of this market. That's why I was waiting for the price to push below this low. Now we've gotten that push below this low. My stops is above this high right about here, and I'm looking for a 2-to-1 risk to reward. But when price gets to a 1-to-1, I'm basically going to move my stop loss to break even, and then I'll be looking for price to continue to head down past the low of the day, which is somewhere around this level right here. So guys, as always, I'll be back to check in on this trade and give you updates on how this one plays out. Okay guys, what's up? As you can see, we've just hit 1-to-1, so I'm just going to move my stop loss to break even right here. Bang. So now this trade is risk free. But what I wanted to do before I move on was I just wanted to reiterate the reason why it's good to have key levels here. So as you can see, after we broke below this level, you can see support turned resistance, and price tried several times to break this level, and you can see buyers found it really hard to go above this level, and now we're finally pushing down. So like I said, I'm shooting for a 2-to-1 on this trade, so I'm just gonna wait now and see how this one plays out. But that is one of the reasons, guys, why I use volume. So once again, if we come back here all the way to this candle, you can see a lot of volume came in. Even though a lot of those buyers were trapped right at the top, I was basically waiting for price to break below this candle, because that was the start of that bullish push to the upside. And once we broke below that candle, I knew it was fair game. It was time for me to enter this trade to the downside, knowing that my stop loss would be fully safe right above that high. So now risk-free trade. Let's see how this one plays out, and I'll be back. Peace. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've smashed through our target, and price is pushed below the low of the day as basically I was projecting. Just to summarize, if you see guys, we had quite a balanced day. When you look at the volume profile of the day, price pushed above, and I saw some trapped buyers, and I basically took advantage of the push below the trapped buyers, looking for price to basically go to the other side of value. And you can see here price is continuing the downwards momentum, And that is basically the trade. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.